Crowded streets in downtown Austin tonight as supporters of same-sex marriage celebrate a victory in the U.S. Supreme Court. Good evening. I'm Tyler C. Swarta.
And I'm Terry Gruca. Hundreds gathered on 4th Street, elated that the U.S. Supreme Court struck down part of the Defense of Marriage Act. But what does the ruling mean for Texas? Tonight Beat's Shelton Green is live downtown with our top story. Shelton?
Well, Terry and Tyler, supporters on both sides of the issue, including the hundreds who were out here on the streets behind me this evening, all agree that it may be too early to know exactly what this is going to mean to Texas, but it didn't stop the celebration nevertheless.
Joy and elation poured out into the streets Wednesday night in Austin's Warehouse District. 4th Street between Lavaca and Colorado was closed to traffic for the historic celebration.
We're out today to celebrate, you know exactly what.
They say a victory for equal rights is exactly what they're celebrating.
The guy who's been with me for almost 15 years, and I would like very much to have my federal rights, and I've got them now, and now I just need the rights from the state of Texas to do so.
In 2005, the Texas legislature declared the definition of marriage as a union between a man and a woman. The U.S. Supreme Court decision Wednesday leaves same-sex marriage up to individual states.
We don't think Texas is going to be adopting gay marriages. The county clerks are not going to be issuing gay marriage certificates. It doesn't provide for that.
13 U.S. states have legalized same-sex marriage. Some Texans say they're now packing their bags.
What that just means is we can't do the ceremony here. If you're married in another state, you're going to get all of those federal benefits. So we just have to go elsewhere to get the marriage license and come back.
But will that union be recognized in Texas?
People who come from a state where gay marriage is recognized, if they move to Texas, then they now have the protection of having their federal rights protected. What that means exactly, we don't know yet.
You're shaking the very foundation of the society, and we don't even know what the effects are going to be, because marriage and the definition of it being one man and one woman is so central to not only our legal system but our economic system. Many things are based on that core entity.
Some believe for Texas it's just a matter of time.
I think Texas will be one of the last states.
Texas will be the last state.
Yeah, but we're hoping to change that, so that's why we're here.
Now, tonight, neither the Texas governor nor the Texas Attorney General are commenting on the High Court's decision. We're live in the Warehouse District. Shelton Green, KVUE News 9 Beat.